Welcome back, YouTube friends. Today, we are doing something that most of you would like to do, but you don't know if you can get away with it. We've got some headlights right from Amazon that were close to, they were like 350 bucks that we're putting on my WRX. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into it, and I'm gonna unbox these for you. This is the box that it comes in. It comes in this packaging, and it does say Spider right there. So these are right from Spider. It didn't say Spider on Amazon, but that's who makes them, I guess. I'm gonna go ahead and throw you guys on the tripod here. So, here is one. Looks very nice. The quality, it feels good, feels solid. I don't see any flaws in it anywhere. So overall, the initial impression of the quality seems pretty nice. Here's the other one. Looks good. They look good, they feel nice. I mean, they feel nice and solid, so that's a plus. They don't seem cheap is basically what I'm saying. But yeah, so let's go ahead and start by pulling the front bumper off, which I've done a million times. So if you need to know how to do that, go back and check out my other video on it. I did just install these quick releases. So if you want to see that being done, go check out my last video posted right before this one. But yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it here. Okay guys, we're gonna go around and take out all the fasteners. Looks like you got just like a push pin here, screw down here. Actually you got two over here, and then two on the bottom. Guys, there is the headlight. You got a plug right here. You just press this top clip down and wiggle it out. And this fastener also fastens to here. So I just got some needle nose, pinched that, and it came right out. Now, we are going to need to take these bolts out because this is your bumper bracket. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, there's your clip. Now we'll go install this on the other headlight. Now obviously my headlights aren't that clean, but here's a comparison of the two next to each other. So that C light is gonna look really good. Okay guys, that was very easy to put on there. It's just 3 bolts. This middle one you don't even have to take all the way out. And I just pressed it back in as tight as I could get it. I am going to go ahead and test to make sure these work before I install everything. All right, it does work. I do have some LED bulbs that I'm gonna switch out in here. Let's check the blinker too. Okay, now I'm just gonna put everything back together. Before I put it back in, I am going to take the cover off here, which houses the bulb. Kind of weird. The other one is just like a press fit turn. This one actually has 5 screws that come out. So I guess every time you want to switch bulbs, you got to take the whole light out, which kind of sucks, but oh well. It's really not that hard to take it out.
Very rough afternoon, so I'll update you guys once we get to Shinjuku and figure out or at least my living situation right now. So we're moving all the stuff out and let's get a new spot.
I did just find out that the high and low beam bulbs are a different size than what is on the original OEM headlights. So you can see the low beams are an H7 and the high beams are an H1. Well, that kind of sucks, so I'm gonna have to get new LED bulbs for that. But oh well, we'll go ahead and install it with the halogen ones, halogen, and get the LED bulbs later. Okay guys, that was the install. Very simple and easy, as I'm sure you guys imagined it would be. But it's just 4 or 5 bolts around the outside of the headlights, and then that bottom bumper bracket you got to swap out. They look great. They look very good. I hate that it's a different size than OEM, so I'm gonna have to buy LED bulbs because I like that look much more. But sorry, it is dark in here, but they look real good, I think. And that's it. So I can link those in the description so you guys know which ones they are. They're good, they seem quality, and everything worked out of the box on them, so that's always a plus. But I'll do a update later on just to show you guys if they're still doing good up to our standards. But thanks for watching. If I helped you out or you liked my video, go ahead and hit subscribe and stay tuned for more. Thanks guys.